name's Lucy and I'm studying a master's degree in product design and furniture at Nottingham Trent University. I'm designing a piece for the garden, primarily a seat for a gardener. I want the piece to be multifunctional, highly weather resistant, long wearing, and obviously I want it to have a lot of aesthetic merit but without undermining the functional narrative. I've had a really great time since coming to Nottingham for both my undergraduate and my master's degree. The tutors and the staff at the university have been really helpful and really want you to succeed. In particular, the tutors on the master course have been incredibly supportive this year, especially in light of the pandemic. Over the course of this past year, I've learned an awful lot about design. Prior to coming onto the course, I'd done my undergraduate in fine art. I was very excited to have another opportunity to be creative and work hard, and it has been hard work, but it's been a very positive hard work. The COVID-19 pandemic has thrown a spanner in the works for everyone. In particular, on the master's course, it has meant that there'd been little to no practical and workshop learning, which has been really unfortunate. However, I guess to look at things from a positive angle, often creativity strives within limitations. A lot of our projects will have gone down avenues that we otherwise wouldn't have come across had we not had such limitations. Once the course is over, I'm not really sure what the next step is going to be. I just hope that I end up somewhere that I can be creative